It's perfect.
That offends me for some reason, Chip.
Okay.
For some reason that offends me.
Okay.
Why?
But anyways, I might.
Why do you have so many? Why? What's wrong with you?
I can still add one more. Wait, no, not that.
Add it just to the west. Just add it to
Just
the
not
west.
in my box was
Actually,
now.
I.
I mean, just in my box
I
starting
didn't
out.
even notice this.
You
So,
said
no, what
you-
do you-
Yeah, wait a minute. Wait,
It
how
was
can you
the whole
back?
time.
what the frick?
Wait.
What the frick is this dude?
I don't know. I
know.
found a plushie. Like I just grabbed one.
Oh, I'm gonna just go ahead and actually, I'm gonna go to my box. Also, Chip,
What?
I may not did something, so, yeah. I did something, so, bye.
Did you just?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna sit back.
Okay.
My head.
You know, I'm gonna go touch grass today.
Oh, what? Hey.
I feel like
Don't be
touching
left
grass.
alone.
I want to take a
That's
picture
a-
of that someday. Yeah, so come on, senorita.
I mean-
senorita.
That's-
I don't know your gender, senor.
Ah.
What the frick are you?
Wrong universe. Well, I'm in a wrong universe,
What-
my man.
What?
Also, you were, by the way, you know who I am. You know who
Oh
I am.
yeah, I was just
You know-
yeah. Senor, I don't know this man. I don't know. I might visit his universe sometimes.
That's a
but I don't
lie,
know.
Ellie. That's a lie, and you know it.
You don't know Helpy.
You might,
You don't know.
I will.
You don't know Helpy.
You will never. I think so.
I know.
keep an eye
Yeah, I
on this
might
one,
visit.
don't worry.
I might visit it sometimes, but I don't stay there.
You did. You did at some point.
Yeah, to bully the yellow fox man.
The yellow fox man. Yeah, he's like in the void
No,
somewhere.
screw you, Sonia.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna destroy them
we're
signs.
we're going to touch the grass.
Don't go in the forest.
We're touching grass.
No.
What the frick?
What? Who's that guy?
I don't know for homeless man.
Oh.
What the frick is this? What?
This.
No beavers. No smelly beavers here.
What?
Okay? No, Eltap, you can't. You don't exist here.
Senor, what did I ever do to you?
You remember the old tree house?
Yeah, what
The
about
old
it?
one that we had?
Yeah, what about it?
Yeah. You never let me in. So now I'm not letting you in.
What? I'm so. My
This is
head
my
hurts
toy
now.
house. This is my tree house. And no one can enter.
What
Because
about-
no one can get up here. Because only I can.
I mean, help is
Because,
allowed.
I can teleport.
I mean, help is allowed in there.
That's
It was a
only-
climb really
it's- That's only she. That's the only way she knows how to get up here. You can't get up here though, Elchip. Sorry. Sorry, Elchip. Sorry.
No,
Go.
no. Frick, hung up for shot.
No.
Ah! Oh. Frick.
No.
What?
So, you can't get up here. There's literally nothing in here. It's just this. So far, I'm still working on it. It's work in progress.
Well, I still want to see.
Work in progress, treehouse. No. What? Hey, help me!
I said I'm a good climber.
You know, you're fine.
Help me!
Frick, jump the fence. Oh wait, fix the Nate. What the frick?
How?
Oh.
You can get up there, Elchip. Elchip, no,
I'm
Elchip.
I'll push you up. I'll push you up. I'll try at least.
Ah!
Go!
Oh.
Shoot! You're not allowed up here on my
What?
watch. I'm
It
security
doesn't
person.
rivalry. It don't rivalry like going between you guys.
I don't know.
He says because
You don't-
I'm
no,
pushing
you
him
don't.
off. That's what I'm
it's
doing.
because he said it's because I didn't allow him in the old tree house back at the old place.
Before I'm burnt down.
The tree.
It didn't burn down, senor. They got bulldozed.
Yeah, it did.
The treehouse.
Yeah, there was a tree house. I don't even
There
know
was a
what exactly
tree
was out into it
Right.
when we added it. Go! Show!
Ah!
Go! Leave!
This is definitely not forced.
What?
No, nothing. What?
What?
I'm gonna. You know what, senor? You could probably find something useful in the dumpster.
I'm gonna find
What? Hey. Hey. What?
Never again. Never again, senor. You'll see in the video. What was that noise?
What?
I don't know, senor. I don't know what's happening.
I don't know either.
Hey,
No!
Hey,
Oh,
hey,
what?
hey, get away, go, shoot.
I have an idea. Frick.
I'm just looking in my back pocket, don't mind me. Man, I hope no one goes in my treehouse. Yes, hello? You might-
Okay, what the frick? Pottery. Scratching the door.
Hey, hey, get out!
Wait.
Shoot,
Scratch the door. Scratch the wall some more.
stop it.
Ah, frick. What the frick is that?
Go away. Go away. Out there. Go.
I can make it. Ow, freak! I hit my head.
Go.
You
You
broke
make
the-
me make my own. Okay, you're welcome. I'll just not.
Oh
I've
god.
just been looking in my back pocket, so don't mind me looking in my back pocket. That's how I got this stuff, so.
Okay, maybe I was just hallucinating. Maybe there's actually something useful in the dumpster.
Yeah, maybe.
What did it say?
Okay, maybe wait. When last time? Get me out of here. Okay, maybe there's something useful in the kitchen. Oh, we didn't. Wait, I thought that was in another world.
Is there anything useful anymore?
We'll take that.
I mean, those just like those little bugs.
Wait, we never updated the security puppet plush.
Wait,
Why not?
question here. What?
I don't know, senor. There's a freaking tape.
What? What's a security?
Oh, you know, like the glitched out bunny man.
Yeah.
He brought like a security puppet plush. I think this one.
Oh, what?
We don't question that, senor.
Okay. Oh,
Where are you guys?
go.
Wait, I have an idea, senor. Trust, bear with me.
Oh, this could be funny. Funny.
Don't worry, senorita. I don't even know. Anyways,
Whatever I am. I
could-
don't know.
I could do like a perfect American accent or Italian. I don't know. Which one should I do first? American or Italian?
Try American.
Okay. Frick. Okay, gotta. Close
If not, go British.
Okay. Okay, get ready for my perfect American accent.
Okay.
Burger, fries, America, eagle.
I don't know. Wait, what the hell are you?
I am your long lost brother from America, with the burgers and the eagles and the
Okay.
fries. Thank you.
Yeah, it's not that much. It's still a work in progress, so don't worry.
Yeah.
Hey, no, my channel! My channel! Hey, get away! My channel!
What did I do?
Get my channel! Get back here! Get back here!
I'm sorry, senor. I'm gonna have to leave you dead.
Stop it.
What does it say? Oh, god dang it, senor! Screw you!
Tim, where are you? Tim! I told you not to delete it. I know you read
I
it.
can fix it. I can fix this. Freak.
Tim!
Freak.
Shut. Yeah, shut.
Come on.
Oof.
I'm trying to do something, senor.
I'm moving
Tim!
him. I'm moving
see?
him.
I see you!
No,
Give
you.
me the push.
No.
Tim! Tim! Stop it!
Okay, I need to disguise again. I need to disguise.
Not
Hello.
inside.
Go British.
Hello, I
Hey, do you know what's up, buddy?
He jumped out the window.
He's just no. Wait a minute.
He jumped out the
Wait
window.
a minute.
I am for American.
Oh, hi
so-
again.
When was there
Hi
a
again.
puppet in the pizzeria? There was never one puppet.
I'm
No, from America.
Me.
No, from America.
Wait, this.
No.
I don't-
Wait, frick. This is.
Shut
I
up.
forgot we were in Texas. Frick.
You're not helping.
Frick! I forgot we were in Texas.
Yeah, we're that's what's going on. Get back here.
You should have gone British.
You know, do you really think you can stop me?
Put the head up. Put the head up. Oh. What?
You know I can do that. I can always do that.
I'm
I
taking
can
it
do
out.
it.
Go British. Go British. Go
I
British.
need to find another man.
You're right.
No, but-
No.
Hey, puppet. Up it
Come on,
is
come on. Where is it?
Ah,
Dang it, wrong thing.
go British. Go British.
Okay, I think I'm fine. Okay, wait.
You know, go
I
British.
can probably sneak in again.
You have to. Oh,
Hey,
Senor, get out of here.
yeah, I saw you took. What's in that journal? Puppet's journal. Can I have that?
Oh, yeah, sure.
I want to. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
did he take it?
Yes. See? I don't know, senor.
What did it say even?
It said El Chip smells nice. Hello there, good sir. I am the Music Man from Pizza
El
Plant.
Chip, I know it's not you. Don't even.
Who is this El Chip that you speak of? I come from Britain.
No. Well, thanks for the book, by the way.
What-
Thanks for the book.
What book are you talking about, good gentleman?
My journal. I got my journal back,
You have a journal?
and yeah, this is my journal.
I am
Yes.
from Britain.
No, it's my journal. It's a journal, Healthy.
I am from
Fine.
Britain.
That-
Wait a
it's
minute.
a
This is
joy.
a perfect chance.
That was the diary.
Frick. Okay.
What? El Chip, me going. El Chip. Whatever you're doing, it's not helping. In case here. El Chip. Okay. El Chip. El Chip.
I was gonna do. I was so close.
Hey, welcome to Security Puppet's Treehouse. How may I help you?
Oh, senor, you know.
Wow. How rude. I'm gonna put this back.
This is 10,000 better.
By the way, you know that Cash kid? That Cash, the being?
See?
I called him over. And that's how I did it.
Hey, I'm sure. Come on. I'm bold.
Can I have that back? Give it back!
No, senor, this isn't mine.
Give it back. Give it back.
Wait, I
Give
can't.
it back.
Wait, this is a perfect chance to disguise myself.
Jeff!
Oink.
Jeff!
Oink.
Here, I have an extra one.
This is
I have an extra one. Just take it. I just give you an extra one.
This is
I'm like,
mine!
give it back. Oh, Chip, give it back. Let's go read a book.
Frick, oink.
Yeah, go in here out and back out, Chip.
Oink.
I go. Come on. I have a book. A book. Come on. Oh, Chip, come on. Oh, Chip, come on. Oh, Chip, come on. Oh, Chip.
Puppet smells.
Hey, I heard it!
No. Oh,
I'm out of
Chip.
here. I'm out of here.
Look.
What?
I didn't even know that.
Yeah, it's great. I'm going to the portal. I'm taking this fig with me. It's mine now.
Oh, bye then.